Playlist on Pandora. In this video, we are going to learn how to make playlist on Pandora. So let's get started. First, sign in or create account if you have not already signed into your Pandora account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Number 2, navigate to your collection. Once you are signed in, navigate to the collection section. You can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon or name. Number 3, click on Create Playlist. In the collection section, look for an option to create a new playlist. This is usually labeled as Create Playlist or something similar. Then click on it. Name your playlist. Give your playlist a name that represents the type of music or the mood you want to have. Then add songs. Start adding songs to your playlist. You can do this by searching for specific songs, artists or genres and then clicking on the plus icon next to each track you want to add. You can also add songs from stations you have listened or from the existing playlist. Then edit playlist. Once you have added songs, you can rearrange the order by dragging and dropping them. You can also remove songs by clicking on the three-dot menu next to each track and select Remove from Playlist. Then save playlist. After you have added and arranged the songs to your liking, click on the Save or Done button to save your playlist. Then access your playlist. Your playlist will now be saved in the collection section of your Pandora account. You can access it anytime to listen the songs you have added. You have an option of share. If you want to share your playlist with friends or on social media, there are usually options to do so. You can typically find a share button next to your playlist. That's how you can playlist on Pandora.